Struggling to find the perfect electric shaver? Stick around, because these models deliver precision and comfort like no other. The Philips Norelco shaver stands out as a top-tier grooming tool designed for those who value precision and comfort. From the first shave, its ergonomic design fits perfectly in hand, making maneuvering around tricky facial contours effortless. The shaver's multi-directional heads adapt smoothly to every curve, providing a close and clean cut without irritating the skin. What really sets this shaver apart is its combination of power and gentleness. The blades glide silently yet efficiently, cutting hair at the root and leaving a silky feel that lasts hours. Have you ever wondered what it's like to get a professional shave without leaving home? This device delivers exactly that experience. One thing to keep in mind is that its premium features come with a higher price tag, but considering the quality and durability, it feels like a worthwhile investment. Imagine starting your day with a shave that feels fresh and effortless every time. This Philips Norelco makes that possible. The U-Free electric shaver surprises with its combination of affordability and solid performance. Right out of the box, it feels lightweight and comfortable, perfect for daily use. Its triple rotary blades work in harmony to catch every hair, even those growing in difficult directions, ensuring a smooth finish with minimal passes. What I appreciated most is the quiet motor that doesn't sacrifice power, making the whole shaving process peaceful and efficient. Plus, the waterproof design allows for use in the shower, adding convenience to your routine. Isn't it great when a budget-friendly gadget exceeds expectations? While it may not have all the bells and whistles of higher-end models, the U-Free shaver does a remarkable job for its price range. If you're looking for a reliable, no-fuss electric razor that won't break the bank, this could be your new everyday companion. The SH Paver electric razor caught my attention immediately with its sleek design and promise of a comfortable shave. Holding it felt natural, and the sharp blades sliced through stubble with surprising ease. Its flexible head adapts to the curves of the face, reducing the risk of missed spots or irritation. What really makes this shaver shine is how gentle it feels on sensitive skin while delivering a close shave that lasts. You know that satisfying smoothness that makes you feel ready to take on the day? That's exactly what you get here. Plus, its fast charge feature means less waiting and more shaving. If there's a downside, it might be that the shaver's battery life isn't the longest on the market, but for daily use and quick touch-ups, it's more than sufficient. Imagine the confidence of stepping out with a perfectly groomed face every morning. This SH Paver razor helps you get there seamlessly. The MB Zoe electric foil shaver impresses with its clean, classic look and efficient shaving system. From my experience, the foil design offers a remarkably close shave, especially for those who prefer a smooth finish without multiple passes. It's lightweight and easy to grip, so you can shave comfortably without fatigue. Its precision blades and fast motor get through thick stubble with ease, and the foil reduces the chance of skin irritation, making it ideal for sensitive skin types. Have you ever wished for a razor that balances closeness and care? The MB Zoe nails this balance perfectly. One small point to note is that it's best suited for daily or every other day shaving to maintain optimal performance. If you're ready to upgrade your shave with a shaver built for smoothness and comfort, this MB Zoe model deserves a spot in your grooming kit. The Olave X Beard Trimmer is a standout tool for men who want full control over their facial hairstyle. From the moment I started using it, I noticed how sharp and precise the blades are, allowing for detailed trimming and shaping without tugging or discomfort. Its adjustable settings give you flexibility, whether you want a close trim or a fuller beard look. It feels sturdy and well-balanced in hand, making it easy to maneuver through thick or patchy areas alike. Don't you love having a trimmer that feels like an extension of your hand? That's what the Olave X delivers. Plus, its rechargeable battery offers solid runtime for multiple sessions. If there's one thing to keep in mind, it might be that the trimmer is slightly heavier than some ultralight models, but this adds to its durability and control. Picture yourself effortlessly maintaining your perfect beard shape with a tool designed to make grooming enjoyable. That's the Olave X experience. The U-Free Beard Trimmer offers an excellent balance between affordability and functionality. Perfect for men starting to experiment with their beard styles. Upon first use, its sharp blades cut cleanly without pulling, and the adjustable length guards allow customization for different looks, from stubble to a short beard. The lightweight design fits comfortably in hand, making it easy to reach tricky spots around the jawline and neck. Have you ever struggled with an uneven trim? This trimmer's precision helps avoid those frustrating moments. Its USB rechargeable battery is a welcome convenience, ensuring you're ready to groom anytime, anywhere. While it may not have the most powerful motor compared to premium models, the U-Free trimmer performs reliably for everyday needs. Imagine having a trusted grooming partner at a great price. This is a solid choice worth considering. The Radagist 3-in-1 electric razor is a versatile grooming tool that adapts to multiple needs, combining shaving, trimming, and edging in one compact device. From my experience, switching between functions is intuitive, and each attachment delivers consistent results. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling throughout. The rotary shaving head provides a smooth shave, while the trimmer attachments allow for precise beard and hairline shaping. Isn't it convenient to have all your grooming essentials in a single gadget? This saves time and space in your bathroom kit. One consideration is that the battery life could be longer for extended grooming sessions, but for daily use, it's perfectly fine. If you want a multifunctional tool that covers all your bases without complications, the Radagist 3-in-1 is definitely worth a closer look. The Oyamto electric shaver impressed me with its simplicity and solid performance at an affordable price point. Its compact size makes it ideal for travel or quick touch-ups, while the rotary blades handle facial hair smoothly and efficiently. The shaver's lightweight feel adds to the overall ease of use. What stood out is its quiet motor and decent battery life, allowing for a relaxed grooming session without interruptions. Have you ever needed a reliable shaver for those last-minute moments? Oyamto's model fits that need perfectly. Although it lacks some advanced features like waterproofing or LED indicators, this shaver covers the basics very well. If you're looking for an effective and budget-friendly electric razor, the Oyamto is a practical option that won't disappoint. The Ordeal electric razor is a surprising gem for its very low price, offering solid shaving performance for men on a budget. Right away, I noticed how easy it was to handle due to its ergonomic shape. Its rotary blades deliver a clean shave suitable for light to moderate facial hair. It's a quiet and quick device, making it great for busy mornings when every second counts. Don't you appreciate a shaver that just gets the job done without fuss? That's exactly the Ordeal's strength. Its compact design also makes it travel-friendly. One thing to consider is that it may not be ideal for very thick or coarse hair, but for everyday maintenance and newcomers to electric shaving, it's a fantastic starting point. Imagine upgrading your grooming routine without stretching your budget. Ordeal makes that easy. The Man Spot Body Hair Trimmer is designed specifically for men looking to tame body hair with precision and comfort. From the moment I picked it up, I appreciated its sturdy yet ergonomic design that makes handling easy, even in hard-to-reach areas. The blades cut smoothly without pulling, offering a pain-free experience. Its waterproof feature is a game-changer, allowing you to groom confidently in the shower and rinse the device effortlessly afterward. Have you ever wished for a tool that respects your skin while managing body hair? Man Spot's trimmer fits that description perfectly. While it's specialized for body hair and not intended for facial shaving, its performance in its category is excellent. Imagine feeling fresh and groomed all over, effortlessly maintaining your look with a tool crafted just for that purpose. Man Spot helps you get there.